Oh, hi Joyce. How are you, darling? You're still my joy to the world.
You have to tell her who you are.
I am Nani, of course. She knows me. And we're the girls from the Switch are here at Eaton Park in Groville. And we just had lunch, and we're having a wonderful visit. Not everyone is here today, but the ones who are here will remember you, Estelle, and Donna Wall, and Gracie. Gracie's there, and of course, our favorite here, Cookie, is here visiting from Sheets.
Hi Joyce, good to see you. Tell Zip I said hello. Come visit us in South Carolina or Florida. Remember, we're waiting for you.
Hi Joyce, it's Grace Cherry. It's been a long time since we've talked. Tell Zip we said hello to, and Dick says hello to both of you. Thanks.
Hi Joyce, Donna Wall. I'll never forget the generosity of your husband who donated blood for us when we needed it. Take care.
Hi Joyce, this is Estelle Wiley. In case you didn't recognize me, that's why I gave you my name. It's a little aging process. Takes a lot of years, but this is what it turns out to be. Have a good life.
Joyce, at first I wasn't sure if I remembered you, but Estelle is the one that told me we went to Y Camp together at Laurel Ridge, and now I do remember you. And this is such a nice visit. Too bad you couldn't be here.